All right, let's do this. Okay, so do you know what we tend to do when we get bored in a meeting or in the classroom? We tend to doodle on the first piece of paper we see. And that's because drawing is so accessible to everyone. Hey guys, today we're going to talk about 5 things to make your sketching habit more convenient for you. If you follow this channel, that's because you have an interest in drawing, and we can all agree that sometimes it can be so difficult to prioritize your art practice, especially when it's a hobby or something that we enjoy doing on the side. Also, as a sketch artist, we don't always have the luxury of being in a studio or at our desk, so that's why it's important to be able to sketch everywhere and anytime. One way to sketch everywhere is to keep a sketchbook or notepad with you at all times. This way, you can quickly jot down your ideas or sketches whenever inspiration strikes. Additionally, you can use digital sketching tools on your mobile device, such as your tablet or smartphone. There are many apps available that allows you to sketch on the go, and these tools are becoming increasingly advanced, making it easier than ever to capture your ideas anywhere. You can also bring your iPad. It has a similar size as a sketchbook, and also have it set up as a sketchbook by having multiple layers on one canvas. Now, second tip is to draw outside. Outside can be a great way to find inspiration, challenge yourself, and improve your skill as an artist. If you have the luxury of time, then you can go out and go on a field trip, choose a location that inspires you. Look for a spot with interesting shapes, textures, and colors. You might choose a park, a busy street, or a quiet spot in the woods. And if you want to make good use of your time commuting, it's about developing the reflex of taking your sketchbook out and starting sketching your surrounding. So be willing to make mistakes, as these mistakes can be an opportunity to learn and grow as an artist. Third is to practice fast sketching. So in my previous video, I recommend the importance of creating a lot of ugly drawings to get better. That means whenever I draw outside, I favor traveling light and I only bring the bare minimum like a sketchbook and a pen. Meaning no erasers, because I'm allowing myself to make mistakes and I'm not there to fix them. So practice quick sketches and focus on recognizing overall shapes and patterns. Work quickly and make rough sketches to capture the essence of your subject and work efficiently. Also, if you're shy, this will avoid staring in one direction for too long. If you draw someone's torso but they move too quickly, patch someone else's legs and create your own Frankenstein of a character. No one will notice. Number 4 is to create your own world. Now, another technique for sketching everywhere is to practice sketching from memory and from your own imagination. This means studying your subject matter and then attempting to recreate it from memory, which can be done almost anywhere, from the figment of your own imagination. I mean, that's the cool thing about drawing. You have the ability to create what you want, whether it makes sense or not. By practicing this technique, you can sharpen your skills and capture your ideas even when you don't have access to your sketchbook or digital tools. 5 is to prioritize your drawing practice. So drawing seems like a convenient hobby. You can draw outside, on the floor, on your desk, with references, or from your imagination. And all you really need is only a pen and a paper. But then how come so many of us creatives find it so difficult to find the time to draw? That's because you need to prioritize your practice. In that case, schedule your drawing time. Carve out dedicated time in your daily or weekly schedule to drawing. Even if it's just 10-15 minutes a day, consistent practice can make a significant difference in your skills and confidence as an artist. Also, the more you draw, the more inspired you'll get, the more you'll want to draw. It's just a really good type of vicious cycle. So in conclusion, being able to sketch everywhere, anytime is essential for sketch artists. By keeping a sketchbook or notepad with you, Using digital sketching tools, practicing sketching from memory, and using your environment as inspiration, you can capture your ideas and inspiration as they come to you, ensuring that you never miss a great idea again. Furthermore, you can use the environment around you as inspiration. Look for interesting shapes, textures, and colors in the world that surrounds you, and try to incorporate them into your own sketches. By doing this, you can create a unique and compelling artwork that reflects your own world. So remember, the key to being able to sketch everywhere is to make it a regular habit and to be open to inspiration from your surroundings. And if you want to see more art-related content like this one, including seeing all of my shorts on YouTube, like and subscribe. I promise, it will be worth it. Stay creative.